Have you ever wondered how you may take control of your kidney health and begin the rehabilitation process? It's a question that many of us may not consider until presented with a health crisis. But what if I told you that a simple morning practice can help your kidneys recover? The sun is rising, the world is waking up, and you're about to begin your day in the greatest manner possible by giving your kidneys the care they deserve. Join me as we go over a detailed guide to just do this every morning and watch your kidneys recover quickly. Why kidney health matters. Kidneys are like unsung heroes in our bodies, working quietly to keep us healthy. These bean-shaped organs filter waste and surplus fluids from our blood, producing urine that aids in the elimination of toxins. But their work does not stop there. The kidneys also regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and create hormones required for bone health and red blood cell development. Taking care of our kidneys is critical because when they aren't working properly, waste and fluids can accumulate, causing major health problems such as kidney stones, infections, and even kidney failure. To keep our kidneys in good repair, we should stay hydrated, consume a balanced diet, limit our salt consumption, avoid smoking, and treat illnesses such as diabetes and high blood pressure. By giving our kidneys the care and attention they require, we protect our general health and well-being. Number 1. Drink water. Right after waking up. Drinking water immediately after waking up is like giving your body a refreshing boost. Imagine your body has been operating on empty all night and the first thing it requires is fuel to get started. That's where the water comes in. Hydrating in the morning stimulates your metabolism, allowing your body to wake up and begin moving. But it's not just about waking up, it's also about boosting your kidney function. Your kidneys work hard to remove waste and poisons from your blood, and they require water to function properly. When you drink water in the morning, you help to flush out any toxins that have accumulated overnight, which helps your kidneys perform their vital function. Making it a practice to drink water first thing in the morning not only helps you wake up, but it also provides your kidneys with the hydration they require to function optimally. Number 2. Eat a kidney-friendly breakfast. Starting your day with a kidney-friendly breakfast is essential for maintaining kidney health. Breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day, and choosing kidney-friendly foods will help them get off to a good start. Kidney-friendly foods are ones that are low in salt, phosphorus, and potassium, as they might be hard on your kidneys if you have the condition. Instead, eat eggs, oats, whole grain toast, berries, apples, and vegetables like spinach and peppers. These foods are not only delicious, but also high in nutrients that can benefit your kidney health. So, when it comes to breakfast meals, make informed choices, because they can have a huge impact on how your kidneys feel throughout the day. Number 3. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Stress can have a negative impact on your kidney function. When you're anxious, your body produces hormones that might strain your kidneys over time, causing them to work harder than necessary. This can result in complications such as high blood pressure and kidney damage. But here's some good news. Mindfulness or meditation can assist. Taking a few minutes in the morning to clear your head and focus on your breathing can be really beneficial. It reduces tension, which relieves pressure on the kidneys. So, by including mindfulness or meditation into your morning routine, you're not only getting your day started right, but you're also providing your kidneys with much-needed love and care. Number 4. Focuses on physical activity to promote kidney health. Regular physical activity is important for kidney health because it improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and helps control blood sugar levels. Simple morning exercises and stretches will help you get through the day and set a good tone for your kidneys. Begin with easy stretches such as toe touches, arm circles, and neck rolls to loosen up your muscles and enhance flexibility. You can also integrate brisk walking, cycling, or swimming into your daily routine to get your heart beating and your kidneys working properly. Remember that even tiny quantities of activity per day can significantly improve your overall health, including the health of your kidneys. So let's get moving and prioritize renal health through regular physical activity. Number 5. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption might harm your kidneys. Let's start with caffeine. Consuming too much caffeine, such as in coffee or energy drinks, might cause your kidneys to work harder. This can cause dehydration, which is bad for the kidneys. It can also elevate your blood pressure, putting additional strain on your kidneys. Now, on to alcohol. Drinking excessive amounts of alcohol might potentially injure your kidneys. It can disrupt the equilibrium of fluids and salts in your body, straining your kidneys. Furthermore, alcohol can disrupt the hormones that help regulate blood pressure, potentially causing kidney damage over time. So, it's necessary to consume caffeine and alcohol in moderation. Limit yourself to a few cups of coffee or tea per day, and keep your alcohol consumption within prescribed levels. If you're seeking for alternatives, herbal teas or flavored water can provide a refreshing change without negatively impacting your kidneys. Number 6. Monitor blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Maintaining kidney function requires regular monitoring of blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring allows you to remain on top of any developments and identify any issues early. High blood pressure and uncontrolled blood sugar levels might damage your kidneys over time. By checking these levels on a regular basis, you give yourself the ability to respond if they begin to climb. Simple behaviors, including as eating healthy, staying active, and taking any recommended medications, can aid in managing these levels. Don't overlook the importance of little activities in keeping your kidneys healthy, so make it a habit to monitor your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Your kidneys will appreciate you for it. Number 7. Take kidney supportive supplements. If you are considering these, you should first consult with a healthcare practitioner. Vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and probiotics are examples of supplements that may assist improve kidney function. Vitamin D promotes kidney function and may help prevent against renal disease. Fish oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may aid kidney function. Probiotics, which are commonly found in yogurt and supplements, may help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, so indirectly boosting kidney function. However, always with your doctor before incorporating any supplements into your diet, especially if you have kidney concerns or are taking other drugs. Number 8. Practice gratitude and positive affirmations. Starting the day with gratitude and positive affirmations can significantly improve your health. It's like giving your mind and body an energy boost from the start. When you wake up and take a moment to appreciate the good things in your life, you establish a great tone for the day. When you utter positive affirmations like "I am strong" or "I am capable," you send powerful messages to your brain, which can help you gain confidence and resilience. However, you may be surprised to learn that practicing gratitude and positive affirmations can boost your physical health as well, especially your kidneys. Studies have shown that stress and bad emotions can impair kidney function, so cultivating a happy mentality not only lifts your spirits, but also benefits your general health. So why not try it? Begin your day with a grin, a grateful heart, and a few encouraging words for yourself. Your mind and body will thank you for this. Conclusion. To summarize, we've reviewed 8 morning practices that can dramatically improve kidney health. Drinking water helps wash away impurities and maintains the kidneys functioning properly. Next, stretching improves circulation, which indirectly benefits kidney function. A balanced meal provides your body with important nutrients, which promotes overall health, including your kidneys. Mindfulness reduces stress, which can be harmful to your kidneys over time. Eating a low-sodium breakfast promotes good blood pressure, which is essential for kidney health. Exercise improves circulation and lowers the risk of renal disease. Taking drugs exactly as prescribed ensures that your kidneys are not put under unnecessary strain. Finally, reducing caffeine intake helps to avoid dehydration, which is detrimental to kidney function. By implementing these practices into your morning routine, you can improve kidney health and well-being. Please share your experiences and progress in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more health-related content.